Howdy all everyone, so I'm back and I'm coming back with a vengeance. So I've got a lot of uploads backed up, probably around 10. Every single week I'll be uploading new content. For a long time I haven't put effort into YouTube. Majority of my content, all of my content was through Instagram, and now I will be switching over to YouTube. Why I'm making the switch is for the fact that I want to do longer form content. Don't like TikTok. That is ultra fast content. You learn nothing really from TikTok. So I want to make longer form content, and that's what I've done. I've been up till about 2 o'clock every night editing content, up again at 5:30. I've analysed YouTube and I don't see anything else like it, especially from the UK scene. Since I last done a proper upload on finishing was a high gloss video, probably like 5-6 years ago now maybe, and I really enjoyed that. So I want to get back to that. I owe a lot to social media and I owe a lot to Instagram. It made me get my own workshop, which I've been a spray shop for the last 5-6 years. And during that time, I've done different types of projects. I would have done super yachts, big celebrities, very stressful work, and I do normal stuff like this as well. If you've seen my social media, you'll know I go 100%. Like this here is basically perfection, but it is stressful. So I've just come out of quite a horrible time with finishing, if I'm completely honest. I had a serious mental block with this work until I realized I was a bit, but I would like other people to learn and take advantage of my nuttiness. All of that will be documented. Spray finishing is very secretive. I don't like that. I don't like the secret society, magic circle, Bohemian Grove, privacy aspect of the finishing community. I believe I have a duty, whatever I've learned, I would like to pass on. And I have been doing that for the last 5 years with the Finishing Bible. That is a membership private Instagram account where I have well over 100 uploads, detailed uploads, showing people exactly how to finish. And it don't sit 100% right with me that I charge for that. Yeah, so that you could say is a bit of a secret society kind of aspect to it, but it's just paying for the time I spend on making the content. If this channel does good and I could start making money through YouTube, which is probably unlikely, but you never know, I would make that free so everyone could learn. But at the moment, I'll be quite honest, that private account has kept me going sometimes when I've gone through my depression phase with finishing. I needed that channel to keep this business going. So I'd like to talk about that side as well without sounding like mental health and all this. I understand it gets boring, but when you're a true perfectionist and you want to go for gold every single time, this job probably isn't the best for you. When you pull it off and you've got a beautiful door like this that you've sprayed, you've plucked bits out and now it's all mint, this is the euphoric moment until you get it to site and then you've got to fit it on site, not mar it up, etc. That's the true euphoric moment when the client walks in and goes, whoa, or they'll just think, oh, that's a colour on a door. But I want to show you the whole process as if it's through my eyes, and that's how I've edited it. I've tried to capture as much real life aspects of spraying as I physically can, and when we go to site and fit and everything else. So if you like cabinetry, if you like finishing, you are going to love this channel. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy helping people. Get involved in the comments section, ask me questions, give me criticism. I won't like it, but I'll take it. Because I'll be quite honest, that's the way I've learned. If it's constructive criticism, I'll take it on board as well. You will never stop learning in this game. You can always make a process faster, change a system, products change. So when I started the finishing bar, I was thinking, wow, how the hell am I going to keep up with this content? I've still got hundreds of paying members 5 years later. There's always something changing, regulations changing, or we're just up in quality even higher and systems change. I'll see you in the next upload. Enjoy, and I'm glad to be putting my content up on YouTube now. It's going to be very fun. I'm excited. It's hard work, but let's go.